So I finally installed the horseshoe manifold. This is a 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Goes right on, no problem. These are actually Volvo injectors, 24 pounders, EV1 connectors. Go right on. These things are great. This is how I hooked up my manifold setup. So the middle one here goes to the brake booster. The back one here goes right into the vacuum line. I added this little check valve that was there. And then finally, the last one here, that's the one that goes into the evap setup. Goes into that one. This one goes here, and then this is the one where I drilled I drilled the boss here with a 1/4 inch tap, and I installed the temp sensor. And that one there is just plugged, and it works perfectly fine. I don't know how this would work for earlier models, but for something like this is how I have it.